I did a tarot card reading for a home, and the home had a beautiful message to be conveyed to their humans. Hi, my name is Akshaya Kavle. I'm a nature and animal communicator and a tarot card reader, and now I integrate both these modalities to help me connect better with nature and animals around me. In my journey as a communicator, I've spoken to several animals, plants, as well as landscapes. In one such experiences, I had a family reach out to me who wanted me to have a conversation with their home and also use my tarot cards for more insights. While I had a conversation with the home, I did use my tarot cards for certain specific messages that the humans wanted from their home. One such question was, what would the home like for the humans to do for the home to honor the energy of the home? As I took out my cards, the card of the Two of Wands came up. Now this card is of expansion and exploration, and this is the exact message that the home wanted to share with its humans as well. The home in the communication had shared that the humans haven't traveled for the longest time and they have been homebound for at least the last 5 years. And now the home would really like for the humans to step out of their comfort zone, even if it is just for a couple of days, even if it is for a weekend, to go out, reconnect with nature, and then come back so that they can bring back fresh energy to the home. Otherwise, because of the fact that they are homebound, there could be stagnant energy which they won't be able to convert into free flow of energy. When I shared this with the humans were really surprised to know that the home actually noticed the fact that they haven't stepped out at all for a vacation or for just exploration. And in fact, they were also thinking in terms of taking a holiday because it's been so many years that they haven't gone out as a family. So they took that message and immediately worked on it, and they did go out for a few days for a vacation on the request and the suggestion by the home. This is how communication and tarot cards can help us get spiritual and energetic insights from our animals, plants, as well as landscapes. If you have communicated with landscapes or done tarot card readings, please do mention it in the comment section below so that we can share and learn from each other's experiences. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. Until the next video, bye-bye.